Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about market structure. If you're looking at a bullish trend, if you want to identify a bullish trend, you would be looking for higher high and higher lows. So what is higher high and higher lows? This is considered as higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. This state of market is considered to be bullish. When you see market creating higher highs and higher lows, then that market is considered to be bullish. When you want to identify a bearish trend, you would be looking for lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So this is what lower low and lower high looks like. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. When you see market constantly creating lower lows, lower highs, you will know that the market is in bearish condition. Okay, so for bullish market, we need to identify price creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And in case of a bearish market, if you want to identify a bearish market, you would be looking for lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then we got another market condition known as ranging market. Now, what is a ranging market? When price is not moving in any direction, but it is moving within a small range. So this type of price action is considered to be ranging. When you see this type of market, it is considered to be a ranging market. And I have a strategy based on the ranging market condition. So there are three types of market structures. We got a bullish market structure, we got a bearish market structure, and then we got the ranging market structure. So this is a very simple textbook definition of market structure. Now let's suppose that you are looking at a market structure on a 5-minute time frame. You are going to see that price is making higher highs and higher lows. But when you drop down to 1-minute time frame, you are going to see that the market oops, sorry, my bad. Let me draw this out and then I'll explain. Okay, so I'm going to change the color of this and make it a little, oops, nah, that is a bad color. Let me change it to something yellowish. Okay. Wow, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. Wait. Okay, so when you drop down to 1-minute time frame, you are gonna see that in this 5-minute time frame leg to the downside, we have a downtrend, right? But so you can see that the price is fractal, right? So let me just move this away. You see, we are looking at this on a 5-minute time frame. But when you're going to drop down to 1-minute time frame, you're going to see something like this. In a uptrend on the 5-minute time frame, you can see a downtrend on a 1-minute time frame. I hope that definition is clear. On an uptrend on a 5-minute time frame, you can see a downtrend on a 1-minute time frame. So what does that tell us? It means that we can trade on any time frame. It doesn't matter if you are trading on a daily time frame. It doesn't matter if you're trading on a hourly time frame, or it doesn't even matter if you're trading on a 1 minute time frame. If you know about market structure, you can trade literally on any time frame. So, yeah, I hope this clears everything about market structure. So you can see that the price would be creating lower lows, lower highs on this leg of 5 minute time frame. So a small pullback on a 5 minute time frame could be a big downtrend on a smaller time frame. So let's say you were looking at this chart on an hourly time frame, 1 hour time frame. On the pullback on 1 hour time frame, what you will do is you will then drop down to 5 minute time frame, and then you're going to see something like this. You will see a downtrend on a 5 minute time frame, but on the hourly time frame, the overall trend is bullish. So this is what I'm going to teach you in the upcoming videos, and how you can trade knowing that if a market is bullish in one time frame, you can trade the market as bearish in a smaller time frame. I hope that clears what I'm trying to say. I'm sorry if my English is bad or it's hard for you to understand certain concepts, but I'm trying my best here. So this was all about market structure. I hope it's clear, and I will see you guys in the next video.